The app that I'm going to be talking about today is Nearpod. I've used Nearpod for the past several years to create lessons and do activities with my students. So the first thing I'm going to show you is Explore. You want to look for a lesson that has already been done. Click the Nearpod lesson library. Come up and search. I'm going to search ecosystem. You can also use the filter button to filter a particular grade level or standard. So I'm going to choose 5th grade and science and then search all the lessons. And so you have all these different things come up. There are lessons, videos, activities like drag and drop and gamified quizzes, VR activities. So I'll just show you this one really quickly because it has a lot of those elements. So you can preview the different lessons and you can look through the slides. And basically it kind of keeps your lessons very organized and keeps you focused on what you're teaching. So you can make slides within your Nearpod and you can put as many of those in there as you like. There's a collaborate board, which allows you to have your kids brainstorm together. So basically they share, this comes up on their screen, they share, I think the question asked for, name animals or plants that are in a marine biome. Okay, and so as a student types in their answer, they all pop up on the screen and you can discuss them as a class. It's a great way to open a lesson. There's also a draw it feature that lets the kids actually draw on the iPad itself. It'll save it. You can click and share whatever each student did. You can click and share up on your whiteboard screen for everybody to see. So there's different tools here. You've got the highlight tool, you've got the draw tool. They can put it in a text box. So it's just a fun way for them to share what they've learned. The VR experience is a pretty cool feature. Let me skip to it. So it's like a virtual field trip. And my kids always love this. They can stand and spin around and look at the picture. It's basically a 360. They can look up in the sky. My students love the virtual field trips. There are quizzes embedded. There's another VR field trip. You can add a poll to your lesson. You can also add video. So you can just embed a video in there as well. Think, pair, share, open-ended questions where the kids will, type what they have, what they've learned, and they can put it right there and submit it. So you can, basically on the Nearpod, you can assign it for kids to do in the classroom. Like you can do a live class. Let me just show you here real quickly how to do that. I'm going to click, I have this one in my library. So down here at the bottom, you can do student pace. So when I click on that, it'll bring up a code. You can share the link with them. So this would be great for distance learning where you can have the kids complete this on their own and then you can access reports to see their answers, how they did, how many kids completed it. Or if you were doing it as a class, you would click live participation. It pops up on the screen in front of the classroom. The kids just open their Nearpod app and they put in that code and you actually control their iPads. So as you click through the slides, it's changing the slides on their iPads as well. So it keeps everybody focused on exactly what you're talking about. So that is Nearpod, and you can collect whatever lessons you like. You can create your own. It is a fantastic tool that is engaging and interactive, and my students love it.